Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So basically, it is given that a transmission tower is fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So there is a building whose height is 20 meter. On top of it, there is a transmission tower. Okay. And from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of bottom and top of tower, angle of elevation of bottom and top of tower is 45 degree and 60 degree. Okay. So this is 45 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay. So we have to find the height of the tower. That means we have to find this height. Okay. This h. Okay. Let us name this A, B, C, D. Okay. And we can write DC is equal to building or height of building DC which is equal to 20 meter. Okay. AD is height of transmission tower which we have to find. Okay, that is equal to h. Okay, now in triangle BDC, tan 45 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay, actually what will be the approach? पहले हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल ये है, एक ट्रायंगल ये है, हमको ये हाइट फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो सपोज वी टेक ट्रायंगल BDC and we find this base. So we can use this BC for finding the perpendicular of triangle ABC. So first of all, in triangle BDC, we are putting tan 45. Tan 45 is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is known 20, base we don't know, and tan 45 is 1. So 1 equals to 20 upon BC, or BC equals to 20 meter. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, again tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular. Perpendicular is AC upon base BC. AC is 20 plus H upon BC is 20. And tan 60, so basically we got this tan 60 equals to 20 plus h upon 20. Tan 60 is root 3, so 20 plus h upon 20, or 20 root 3 equals to 20 plus h, or h equals to 20 root 3 minus 20, or 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. So pedestal is actually that part which is lying below, और इसके ऊपर एक स्टैचू है. ओके, अब स्टैचू की हाइट दे रखी है हमको 1.6 मीटर. ओके, दिस इज पेडेस्टल. Okay. Now, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree. From a point on the ground, angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Okay. तो ये 45 degree दे रखा है और ये 60 degree दे रखा है. Okay. So we have to find the height of the pedestal. Okay, so A, B, C, D. Okay, AD is equal to height of statue, that is 1.6 meter. Okay, then DC is height of pedestal. Now we have to find CD. So first of all, what we'll do, in triangle BDC, tan 45 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 45 is 1, so CD equals to DC we got. Okay, now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 1 point AC. AC is AD plus CD upon BC. Okay, let height of this be H. Okay, अगर height of pedestal H है तो AD is 1.6. This is plus H upon BC. Now CD and BC are equal, और हमने अभी बोला कि CD क्या है, H है, तो ये भी H हो जाएगा. Okay, so basically it will be 1.6 plus H upon H. Now we'll solve this. So it is tan 60 degree equals to 1.6 plus H upon H. Tan 60 is root 3. 1.6 plus H upon H, or it will be root 3 H equals to 1.6 plus H, or root 3 H minus H equals to 1.6, or H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. H equals to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Whenever we get an irrational number in denominator, we have to write final answer after rationalizing it. So we'll multiply by root 3 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. After this, I am writing here, it is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1, and in denominator, a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus 1, the minus 1. Okay, so it is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1, that is 2. This is 0.8. So answer is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. This is the answer. The angle of elevation of a top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So basically दो चीजें दे रखी है यहाँ पे, एक तो बिल्डिंग है और एक टावर है. Okay, one tower is given and one building is given. Okay, now suppose this one is building and next one is tower. Okay, this is building and this one is tower. Okay, now the angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower से top of the building, ये angle of elevation है 30 degree. Okay, then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. From the foot of the building, the top of the tower, this angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. Now, if the tower is 50 meters high, so height of the tower is given, it is 50 meters. We have to find the height of the building. Okay. So first of all, naming all of them A, B, C and D. Let AB be the height of the tower. Equals to 50 meter. Okay. CD is the height of the building. Okay. Now यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, so in triangle ABC, suppose in triangle ABC, if we are able to find BC, then we can use this for finding CD. मतलब in triangle ABC we know the angle 60 degree, we know the perpendicular also. So if we are able to find BC from this, then we have to find actually CD. तो CD के लिए हमारे पास और सिर्फ एक एंगल दे रखा है और कुछ भी नहीं दे रखा है. तो if we know BC, we can use it to find CD. So first step is in triangle ABC, we'll be again using tan theta only because base BC is the only common side of both the triangles. तो हम हमेशा जिस ट्रायंगल में से हम कुछ फाइंड कर सकते हैं और जो तो हम वो फाइंड करते हैं जो दोनों का कॉमन होता है. ओके, सो विल बी यूजिंग tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 50 and base is BC. Tan 60 is √3 equals to 50 upon BC, or BC can be written as 50 by √3. Okay. Now in triangle BC, tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 is 1 by √3 upon CD, or we can actually, instead of writing this, we can write CD equals to BC tan 30. Okay, so CD equals to BC tan 30. BC is 50 by √3. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. So it is 50 by 3. So in mixed fraction, you can write the answer 16 2 by 3 meters. Or this is also correct. This is also answer. This is also answer. Okay. So tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is H and base is X. Tan 60 is √3 H by X. Okay. Then in triangle ECD, this was in triangle AB. In triangle AB, okay. In triangle ECD, tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular by base. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by √3 H by 80 minus X. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll find H from both the sides and equate them. H equals to 80 minus X by √3. तो दोनों तरफ से H निकाल के उनको इक्वेट कर देंगे. मतलब √3x equals to 80 minus X by √3. So this will be √3. When we'll cross multiply √3 into √3 is 3x equals to 80 minus X, or 80 minus X equals to, or 80 3x plus X equals to 80, 4x equals to 80, or X equals to 20 meters. So x equals to 20 means B equals to 20 and ED equals to 60. ये तो आ जाएगा 20 और ED आ जाएगा 80 minus 20 60. अब हमको H फाइंड करना है. We can just write this 1 and 2, and here we can write equating 1 and 2. Okay, equating 1 and 2. So from that we got this relation. Okay, now we got X, we want to find H. So from 1, H is √3x, that is equal to 20 √3 meters. Okay, so height of both the poles is 20 √3, and the point will lie 20 meters away from B and 60 meters away from D. Okay, so